Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we believe as Muslims, the greatest of all. He went through a lot of that. They mocked at him, they said things to him, they told him, they tried against him. They did not appreciate anything. He was still very respectful, very polite, very calm, very contained. He continued to repeat the good message. He helped wherever he could. But the patience he bore was way more than any one of us would ever bear. If Allah chose for His most beloved such great tests, then surely when He chooses for us some tests, it's a sign of His love. Inna Allah idha ahabba abdan ibtalahu. The hadith says when Allah loves a slave, He tests him more. Your teacher at school, and I see some principals and some of them seated here whom I met earlier. Your teacher at school, when they see that you are intelligent and you're doing well, what will they do? They may give you a test that the others have not had in order to promote you to a level that the others have not gotten to. Agreed? We understand that at school, but we don't understand it with the deen of Allah. When you're close to Allah, another test comes in. When you're even closer, another test, a bigger test comes in. Calm down. Calm down. Take it in your stride. Seek the help of Allah.